Welcome back, traders. Glad you're here today. I've received a lot of requests from our subscribers requesting what's the VumanChu Cipher B indicator all about. I think the best way to give the right answer to this question is to create an easy-to-understand video explaining how the VumanChu Cipher B indicator works. Therefore, in this short video today, I'll show you how you can implement the VumanChu Cipher B indicator for trading setups in the market. This trading tool is a very powerful trading indicator that a trader can use to formulate a powerful and consistent high-winning trading strategy in the market. To get this indicator on your trading chart, you have to type VumanChu Cipher B. The VumanChu Cipher B indicator is an indicator that combines 5 different indicators in one single indicator. As we can see here, this indicator has 2 versions. There's an option for the VumanChu Cipher B plus Divergences, and the second is VumanChu Cipher A. For this strategy, we'll focus on the VumanChu Cipher B. This is the VumanChu Cipher B indicator at the bottom of our trading chart here. As we can see on the parameter settings here, there are a lot of indicators that are combined together to form the VumanChu Cipher B indicator. I need to highlight each one of these indicators and their purpose so you can have a quick understanding of how the indicator works. Based on this trading indicator, the baseline of 0.00000 is regarded as the midpoint, as we can see here. The top zone above the baseline is the overbought level, while the bottom level below the baseline is the oversold level. The purple line above the baseline here is the RSI indicator. The blue wave at the top and below the baseline represents market momentum. The yellow color zones here signify the volume in the market. The green and red color zones here signifies money flow. The green and red little dots at the top and bottom of this blue wave represent buy and sell circle signals. Whenever there's a formation of the little red dot at the top of the mountains here, it usually signals a potential sell setup. Likewise, the formation of little green dots at the bottom of the blue wave here usually signals a potential buy setup. We can combine the RSI, the green little dot circle, the blue wave at the bottom for a buy setup strategy on the VumanChu Cipher B indicator. The crossover of wave 1, which is the purple wave above the baseline, usually adds to the bullish setup confirmation. To avoid conflicting signals, we have to remove the WT bearish and bullish divergence line on the VumanChu Cipher B indicator. As we can see on this bullish trend, price made a second swing higher high here. On the RSI and top blue wave mountain, we can see the swing was a low high. This was against the higher high swing on the price chart. This action is called the bearish divergence system. The presence of a red dot circle confirmed the sell signal here. Price made a short bearish move and the bulls pulled up price instantly. This is why I prefer to use this strategy to trade along to the direction of the trend. As we can see on the indicator, the green waves above the baseline here signifies money flowing into the market, and we shouldn't be planning to sell in this type of market. The same short bearish move occurred here on the price chart. We can see how the RSI and mountain formed a low high swing here. Now, let's see how this strategy worked in the direction of the bullish trend. Price retested the support of the last swing low here. We can connect the support level here. Now relate the swing lower low on the price chart to the reaction of the second swing low on the RSI here. We can see the RSI second swing made a higher low swing. The green dot circle line confirmed the bullish trend here. The crossover of the blue waves signifies more bullish momentum in the trend. How can we apply stop loss and take profit when trading with the VumanChu Cipher B indicator? You can simply close your trades in a buying position whenever the red dot circle form at the top of the blue mountains. We can see whenever this red dot circle forms on the blue wavy top mountains, it usually led to a bearish move on the price chart. The change of the money flow green color to red color would signal a powerful change in bull to a bear market. While in a bearish trend, it's advisable to trail profit or simply close a sell position whenever the green circle forms at the bottom of the blue waves. Take profit can be a target of 2 risk-reward when trading counter-trend or 3 risk-reward ratios in direction of the trend. For now, study how the RSI, the dot circles, and the blue waves works before proceeding to other indicator which makes up the VumanChu Cipher B.